Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create a drop-down menu on Wix websites. So first let us go and edit our website. Just don't forget to click on this pencil. Alright. So now from here guys, it's actually pretty simple. On the left panel you have your editing tools and the one we need is the pages and menu. Click on it. And after that, as you can see, we have our pages that we can customize. And also on the bottom left, we have add menu item. Click on this and choose drop down. You can now, for example, rename it menu drop down and press on done. And now as you can see, you need to drag items into the drop down. So let's, for example, drag the services into here. And now, as you can see, we have services that people will be able to click on, and it's going to be a drop down now. So also you can create different pages as well, different items, and also add them to the menu drop down if you want more. Enjoy guys. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one next time.